Do you have your seat yet for the Changing Your Financial Attitude seminar? 1-866-540-0745 is the number for you to call. Look, when you call, you should want this textbook, Breaking Free from Financial Bondage. You should want this. It covers I Need a Financial Blessing. Number 2, There Is a Way Out. Number 3, the Luke 6:38 Stewardship Principle. And number 4, Cooperative Economics. Okay. For a $50 seed, a Jubilee seed that you will sow into our building fund or our capital stewardship ministry, you reserve your seat. We'll send you this. You can start reading, and then by February the 23rd, you can gather right there at 3101 Lenz Avenue and get all 4 big areas of breaking free from financial bondage. Call now, 1-866-540-0745. You won't be sorry. God bless.